Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video without an intro just because I felt like just not putting it because it's too much work. And yeah guys, so today I'll be showing you how to look basically hot or cool on MSP. So yeah, let's go. So all you have to do is click play now. We're always gonna have to pick a girl. I don't actually want that kind of skin. It could be a like tan skin, but not too tanned. So yeah, for example, like this color, or this color. Yeah, I recommend this color. It's alright, but also not that bad. Now to the most popular facial features. What I recommend is this nose, but if you don't like it, you can pick any other nose. Lips, these are the most popular. Well, obviously if you're not VIP, if you're VIP then you can have them. I like the light pinks, and then the most popular eyes are these. I'm not going to change the colour just because I think they look cool. I would honestly pick this one as my one, and I put it in a blonde, like blondish. Then I would take a top like this, and I would pick a kind of like this top. I would put it in black. I don't know why, I just felt like it. I'm gonna do these. They're gonna be like, I don't know, dark, I guess. Yeah, could do. And now for the shoes, what I recommend are these or these. But if you don't want none of these, you can pick heels or something. They also make you cool. Okay, now we got to figure out a user. Okay, I don't know a user. Maybe MSP. Okay, what about equals P equals V? Is that right? Yeah, it's alright, okay. And the password, I'll tell you when I get, at least, I don't know, 10 likes, I guess, 20, 15, I don't know, but as much likes as you can get, up to 5, 10 even, and I will be linking, down the password, and yeah, so let's just go. I'm not sure if you hear this, but I hate this the car noise. It's just so annoying. Like, yeah, can you hear it? I can hear it. Like, yeah, no, thank you, no, thank you. Yeah, it's just so squeaky. By the way, I'm Pixie Star. I can show you around. Let's be friends. Yeah, you said it, Pixie. Okay, now what you do is you go to activities, and you go to this one. Down because it's just so noisy. Okay. And you're gonna have to pick like the best colours for the thingy, for choose. Okay. For this one, I would honestly pick like this colour or something. Okay. That doesn't look too bad, but alright. Now for the glasses. What I recommend is like these gold glasses or something. Gold glasses. You can have gold glasses, but if you don't like gold glasses, then you can totally pick a different colour. Like, I'm not saying you can't. You can. This could be maybe big. Okay, and then we've got, 10 presents. Okay, so I'll be back with you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I just got the best hair that I've always wanted. Like, yes, I love this hair, by the way. I just love it. And these shoes could be, I don't know, white, I guess. They look cool though. Yeah. On this account, I think I'm getting the best gift, presents, awards or something. I don't know. Presents, I guess. Gifts from MSP. Okay, let's just pick this black, just original colours. Okay. Oh yeah, and it's gonna be really laggy, so I'm sorry about that. I'm just so sorry. It's really laggy. Like, okay. So now we need how many more presents? I guess 1 or 2. 1, I think 1. I need 9 fame left. Okay, we are level 3. Cool. Choose a reward. I don't like none of these, but I'm gonna choose these because they look alright. I actually don't like the colour. I'm gonna choose this colour. Okay. And I still need to collect all of the gifts though, don't I? Okay, we need to get the 200 star coins. Okay, so basically what you're going to do now is get the most popular eyes. And I'll be back with you guys when I finish this. Okay guys, so I bought 1 animation since I had time. So yeah. If you want a part 2, then please like and subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye guys. But at the end, I'll finally make an intro.